了解对话者的有用短语。
Hello, my name is. Hi, I'm. Nice to meet you. Pleased to meet you. How do you do? Good morning, afternoon, evening. Good night. Goodbye. How are you? What's up? How's it going? How are you doing today? I'm fine, thanks. And you? Where are you from? What do you do for a living? What are you interested in? Do you have any hobbies? What's your favorite thing to do in your free time? That's interesting. Tell me more about that. I didn't know that. That sounds great. What do you think about that? I see. Of course. You're welcome. No problem. Excuse me. Sorry. Thank you. Please.